Hello guys, welcome to 974 Exotics. You're in for another treat, and this treat today is something for us beyond amazing. As you see the lineup behind us, all AMGs, most, let's say 10% of the Qatari society almost.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
an AMG, man.
it's a-
Legend.
We thought that we're gonna have more than 25 cars, but just the cars that came, it's just for us, it's crazy. Let's just give you a small history, a small story. We contacted Mawater organization. They are the ones that, well, they belong to the country basically, and they gave us the right keys and contacts to do this. So Mawater contacted Katara, Cultural Village, and Mawater contacted Ali bin Ali Holdings because 21st Street and Katara, Gal Lafayette belongs to them. So they gave us the right to do it, and then the power of social media. The power of social media. My cousin, we're gonna put his Instagram page. Omran, my cousin, through his connections, Benz Qatar through their connections, C63 AMG Club, King Performance, KP Noyev, and so many others. I mean, contacts. Without these guys, it was not gonna be possible. Thank you.
Thank you, Abdulrahman. First
I am
of all,
out of breath.
yeah, I can see.
Skillish.
I can see that. Thank you, Abdulrahman. First of all, thanks to Mawater, thanks to Ali bin Ali, thanks to Mahmoud, Naif Al Mahmoud, King Performance. Thanks to the group members, all the AMG group members, the one who participated, and inshallah,
We will do it again.
We will do it again next year, inshallah.
And I think next year, with the amounts of followers that we're gonna have, with the social media people,
Follow me, ignore him.
follow him, ignore me. I mean, we created a group also for all the guys that we know in social media, and I mean, just to have their blessings and everyone's blessings is just crazy. So I mean, we're gonna go enjoy the cars. We're gonna go for a coffee. So let's just focus on this. This coffee shop belongs to Ali bin Ali, right? And they invited us. So we're gonna be chilling with them. We brought our friends, family, like Anupam. They don't wanna be seen, but shoot them. These guys are part of the social media. Stay, don't move. Stay. These guys, right? And behind you. He's shy. Let's focus on Asil also. Asil. Thank you.
Thank you for doing this.
Asil, he has something, Asil. He takes the key of the car, right? He does this and then shows you the car. No, again.
Before going to the coffee
The
shop,
let him. And
yeah,
then
but before going to the coffee shop, Abdulrahman, I need to introduce one of the cars. Is owned by Ali Al Mahmoud.
Okay.
He's an owner of the purple C63 over there, and he is always gathering and collecting all the C63 from.
Really?
Yes, he's collecting all, and he has got the connection of the C63.
Okay,
and
that's good to know. Okay, you know what? Before even doing this roll shot, and we will do it inshallah, okay, but the thing is, let's talk in very small detail about each and every car.
Let's
Your
go.
Macintosh,
Let's go.
Stage 2 Plus,
Stage 2 Plus.
the color is from,
the Pista, Ferrari Pista.
okay, and you know, this guy is so crazy when it comes to cars. This car, first of all, the original color is white. It's actually dipped in this color, and above this color, he has a PPF.
Yes. Special thanks to Cardib Doha.
Cardib,
Yes. Cardib
mashallah,
Doha,
okay.
Jassim Al-Salaiti.
Okay, and where did you do the color
Cardib,
and the PPF?
PPF and Osam,
Okay, cool.
Salwa Road.
Macintosh, Stage 2 Plus. Actually, we filmed this guy before. What about this?
This is also a GTR owned by Abdulrahman Naimi.
Mashallah.
This is also Stage 2.
Okay, I love
this-
the fenders.
Yeah, the fender actually belongs to the Pro,
Okay.
GTR Pro, and this car will be converted to Pro, fully Pro.
Ooh.
It has got a roll cage, racing
You know what I love?
seats.
I love this bit. I mean, imagine if he puts the flag of Qatar on the other side.
You can do it.
I know.
You can customize it.
Nasser is the Dorani's car.
Nasser Durrani's car.
This car traveled almost everywhere because I think he was sitting in France, right?
Yes.
So this car almost traveled everywhere.
But
Are the rims factory?
no, This is a custom wheel. This car is edition 1.
Okay.
It's not standard. This is a
Okay.
GTS stage 2 PP performance.
Okay.
Custom wheels. The car called edition 1.
Okay.
And you can see the interior. It has got slight differences in the interior wise.
We have the wallet. Can we take it?
Yeah, we can.
We can, yeah.
Yeah, we can consider it for us. Yeah.
Everyone can shoot. I mean, it's just the beauty of it.
Now, if you're gonna talk about beauty, Abdulrahman, it's this one.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry. When you consider a beauty, this is a beauty. This is a 2021 GTR.
Wow.
Yeah, this one has got the facelift of the front lights, headlights. The LED lights are totally different than my car.
Okay.
Plus the interior-wise, dashboard, console, steering wheel are all totally different than the normal GTS and GTR.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a total facelift actually.
Yep.
MashaAllah, tabarakallah. Okay, what about the car behind me?
Oh, this is the one I was telling you hints about it.
He's the owner, صح?
He's the owner, Ali Al Mahmoud.
Ali Al Mahmoud. You're not gonna talk. You're not gonna talk. إنزين Ali Al Mahmoud is the owner of this car. I just have one question. Okay, سؤال واحد. السيارات من داخل صفرا كامل صح؟
لا.
No, that was a different one.
It was a different one? So we have two cars actually. There's one that has
الرمادية اللي كانت من داخل
yeah.
الأسواق.
There's I mean these cars. So Al Mahmoud, his brother has a garage
Performance.
called King Performance. These guys were the first people ever in the world to convert GTRs
Yes.
into
GTS
GTSs,
converted to Black Series.
Black Series, and they have one that is I think a GT Pro, right? The gray one.
إيه.
The gray one is a Pro, and now as the one that I showed you before previously, that one also will be converted to Pro also.
And it's gonna say Saturn. So what about this?
This one, this is stage 2.
Okay. I mean,
The C63S, custom wheel, full carbon fiber instruments.
and it's forged carbon fiber.
Yes, forged carbon fiber, as you can see. As I told you before, the owner of this car, he has a very, very good connection with the C63 owners.
Sorry. Yeah, everyone is filming. So, I mean, David is a very good friend of ours. Shout out to David for coming here. I mean, as I told you, everyone's gonna come. Like
This is owned by Shamlan.
Shamlan, I know some members of his family, and they're not into C63s.
No.
I mean, he's the only. I mean, just to give you a sneak peek, right? The rims are custom.
Yes.
Okay, he painted the calipers green. Orange, just based on the simple fact that, the interior.
The door's open.
Holy shit.
No.
Okay.
This is here.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
This is a crazy.
This is crazy. Anupam, come here. I mean, we're just gonna open it. Excuse whatever, but look at this. A roll cage in the back.
An SE63. An sedan car. Just consider that in mind, you know.
And just
bear
consider
in
the
mind.
fact that it's orange from the inside. I mean, you can put whatever color.
This
at
is when
the
you
outside. I mean,
when you have the taste,
That's true.
a good taste of converting and doing.
This car is one of the
customizing.
most craziest cars also that we have in Qatar.
This is an orange, just recently finished.
Okay, cool. The rims are custom. Canards, carbon fiber everywhere. The inside, so something with King Performance, they can change the lights inside. They
Yeah.
can make them
The ones-
brighter.
The one with 64 colors. on it.
Colors, I mean, it's just at
amazing,
night,
it's amazing.
the car gives you a different feel. And this car is loud. It's like, oh, no way.
Plus,
no.
come here. I'm gonna show you.
No. Oh.
It has also roll cage.
Tabarakallah.
They have another one, blue.
I didn't see it.
Yeah, but unfortunately, the owner he's out of the country.
I saw a black one with a yellow.
Yellow
Okay.
interior.
And yellow-
Oh, the yellow roll cage.
Yeah.
I saw it before on Lucille. Saw it in Lucille. This,
This
beauty,
color,
it's just recently finised.
wallah.
Yeah.
I mean, this color, the combination.
It's awesome. It's amazing.
I mean, I was starstruck when I saw it because it literally just finished. No one has pictures of this car on social media,
Looks like the MC20 color.
right? It's just, I mean, it's mind-boggling. Carbon fiber everywhere, right? The car is closed. It's okay. He has
Locked.
some. Maybe he has money inside, right?
Of course.
Yeah, for sure. I
Yeah.
mean,
By the way, I just wanna share with you a small information about about our cars. The car are here. My car back in Europe, they call it the submarine, Russian submarine.
okay.
And this car, it's a mafia.
So these are the mafia cars,
Yes.
basically.
Yep.
Imagine a mafia wedding, but in Qatar
So don't
with these cars.
So don't play with us.
I mean, I want to try and play with you.
No,
but
don't trust us. Trust me because we are mafias over here.
I'm gonna give you two informations. This car is one of two in Qatar,
A45,
and yeah, GLA 45,
GL.
4-cylinder, stage 2 plus, and actually the guy we met by coincidence through an Instagram, and he's traveling tomorrow,
Wow.
and it's his first event ever.
Oh, even the black 2021 GTR. This is his first.
event ever. Okay, cool. And,
And
this
also,
guy.
and also, I met him by coincidence today. just like 2 hours before the event, he approached me on Instagram and he told me,
you guys have a meeting?
yeah, you guys have a meeting and I want to participate. What's the requirements? Then just show up.
Just show up.
Yeah, easy peasy, just show up.
And I mean, last but not least, this guy saw us on social media. We couldn't say no, and we just brought him inside with us. Very genuine, very humble, very nice. Came actually after seeing the story, so we couldn't say no, regardless of the fact that it's not.
63.
It is.
It's an AMG 63.
I know. It's not a
So
sports car.
it's one of the family.
Yeah, خلاص. It's
Exactly.
the big daddy, basically. I mean.
No,
Huh?
it's not.
The grandpa.
No, the G Wagon 63 is the
Okay.
big daddy.
Now people are gonna say that I don't know anything about cars.
No, you have all the information.
Oh, with an orange interior.
See, I told you.
I know.
I told you. Now this is the
I know.
father of the mafia.
I know.
It's the godfather.
I know. Well, anyways,
See, even the way that he's driving the car.
it's true. Come closer so we can film, yalla.
It seems to be an undertaker.
اي والله, so true.
He's going to own the earth.
I know.
Now we are talking. This is a
ما شاء
G-Wagon,
الله, تبارك
the
الله.
godfather of the mafia. Marhaba.
تفضل الشيخ.
It's a Barabas.
It's a real Barabas
Yes, a
800.
real Barabas 800.
I mean the interior, I mean just the fact that it has, I mean all the goods and goodies. It's just amazing.
See, now we are having
a
the
real.
best beauty of the family.
It's true,
The
it's
best
true, it's true.
members.
Okay, back it up just a little bit. And that's it. Thank you for showing up. Let us escort him out. Kindly get out of your car. It's okay, leave it عادي. السلام عليكم الشيخ. شكرا على الجية.
الله يعافيك اسمح لي اتاخر.
لا عادي. What
Hold on. Because I'm one of the AMG members, so I need to be the bodyguard. I need to be the bodyguard of the mafia.
What's your good name?
موجود عبد الله.
Majid Abdullah Abdurrahman Zainal.
والله مزيد.
And Upam the bearded gearhead, the partner, one of the other, يعني we are only two partners, right? Amran, Bahamoud, ودعمتي.
مرحبا. شلونك؟ مساك
آه.
الخير، عشان منك.
Which year is it?
هاي 2020.
2020. Well, have a good time.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Enjoy your
And
moment.
Enjoy the moment, and we're gonna enjoy the car from the inside. And Upam, come closer.
حياك الشيخ.
I mean,
الربع موجودين
Just like-
هناك في الكوفي شوب اللي هناك.
you know, Anupam, he's talking,
الله يعافيك ان شاء الله. ما تعرف هناك حبيب.
and his microphone is on,
والنعم.
so you
مات
guys
عبد
hear him. It's
والنعم والله.
okay.
الله يطول
Amran,
عمرك. شلبيه.
your mic is on.
Oh, sorry. sorry. My bad.
You didn't say anything bad, right?
No.
Okay. Well, anyways, as you saw, this is just a huge treat for us. And his mic is still on, so we're gonna remove it because I know he's gonna not stop talking. Anupam. Okay, let's go to the other side so we can catch this. Again, this event was not gonna be possible if it was not for everyone's help. I don't want to get emotional because by all means, you guys might already know that I get emotional in situations like these when you feel that you've achieved something. And I mean, success is not easy by all means. النجاح مش سهل. And I mean, thank you Anupam, thank you Mawater, thank you everyone for making this possible. Ali bin Ali Holdings, Katara, Cultural Village. I mean, it's just crazy. This lineup is just crazy. Subscribe, share, mention. Our YouTube channel is your YouTube channel. And without you guys, this thing was not going to be possible. Cheers. Bye.